my head off then.
Okay. Yeah, let me go ahead and tell me what you got. What's going on, man?
Good morning.
Let me know what you got running here.
All right, we got the Trinity 8K, which is powering the two Sundown XV315s.
Yeah, we can go ahead and get started. You ready?
All right.
That's an 8K?
Yeah.
Little small line.
Wow.
Small profile.
That's cute.
What kind of battery power you got running back there?
It's 170 amp hour.
The C-Max?
Yep.
That's looking good. Y'all got this thing looking real good in here too.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Man, well, let them know where they can find you at on social media.
Dash Cashew 106 Instagram. I don't know if I have a TikTok on that or not, but don't post much on the Insta, but I'm about to start, so go ahead and follow me over there.
And I'll be sure to tag them down below. Y'all know how we do it. Man, you got a 16-year-old Basshead, y'all, right? 16, you know, y'all give them a follow, support the movement. Appreciate it, brother. Yes, sir, man. It was good seeing you, man. Got another one.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.